Hi, Daddy D. We have a very special song that we want to sing to you. Hope you enjoy it. I love you very, very much. And happy Father's Day. Enjoy. There's a man at my house, he's so big and strong. He goes to work each day and stay all day long. He comes home each night looking tired and beat. Sits down at the dinner table and has a bite to eat. Never a frown, always a smile. When he says to me, "How's my child?" I say, "I've been studying hard all day at school, trying to understand the golden rule. Think I'll color him father. Think I'll color him love. Said gonna color him father. Think I'll color this man love. Yes, I will." He says education is the thing if you wanna compete, because without it, my son, life ain't very sweet. I love this man and I don't know why, except I'll need his strength till the day that I die. My mother loves him and I can tell by the way she looks at him when he holds my brother Nell. I heard her say just the other day that if it hadn't been for him, she wouldn't have found her way. I will color him father. I'll color him love. Gonna color him father. I'm gonna color him love. Yes, I am.